All through the ASE electrical area, one phrase keeps coming back: check for module communication errors, data communication bus systems. But you cannot diagnose a bus you have never understood. This trainer is the missing entry point. Students set addresses and data bit by bit with switches, send messages between two transmitter and two receiver units, and LEDs show exactly which receiver reacts and why. Binary numbers, addresses, data blocks, even message collisions, all hands-on, then verified on the oscilloscope. It is built for absolute beginners, no prior network knowledge needed. Detailed documentation and extensive worksheets for teachers and students are included. Position it before every CAN course in an AST or MAST program. Remember it as the trainer where students send their first bus message by hand.